Yo, what's happening, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another live stream. And yeah, first off, I want to speak about what happened this weekend. We had a massive pump. You can see Bitcoin almost tapped into that 63,500 range. We have been speaking about that level for the past 2 weeks, and you can see it's broken out of this massive downtrend. So everything's looking quite bullish there, and it's mainly focused. The reason why we did see this massive pump was because of the whole Trump allegation with the assassination. But essentially, guys, today we will be looking for longs. The market is tempting to come down a little bit to our entry prices. I do have a few signals that I will let you guys know about in this live stream. So make sure you guys do stay until the end, because there is going to be a whole bunch of signals that I will be providing for you guys. So let's get straight into it, because right now the market is still looking really good. I'm expecting price to retrace a little bit here, because Bitcoin, especially on Bitcoin, right? We can see Bitcoin come back to this zone over here, around about 61,800. That is where I will be taking a fat long back up to the upside. So overall, market is looking good. The market is looking bullish. I do think that we will tap into this 63,500 level. This is a strong zone. This is basically this level. If you look at the liquidity heat map, right? If we look at the book map, we can see that this level is so strong. Right over here, 63,500. So let's have a look at the heat map. So if we have a look here, 63,500, even 64,000. From these areas, you can see how many sell orders people are placing here. And then at around about 62,400, there's over 500 Bitcoin worth of longs. So you can see there's a whole bunch of longs that people are placing at 62,400, which is actually around about here, around about this support. But I do think that we might dig a little bit deeper back into like 61,800, and then we can take those longs. But right now we are getting a little bit of retracement, so we could potentially look for some shorts to the downside, which is what I'm going to be looking at for today. But Bitcoin not really ready yet for those longs. Remember, we do have to wait for price to obviously close below that level. If we have a look at Bitcoin, you can see that we have to wait for price to close below this key level here at 62,400, right? Because 62,400 is where 500 Bitcoin is sitting. And essentially, we have to take out all those orders in order for us to get to push down. So if we break through that, we can take sells back down to 61,800, and then we can take buys back up to yeah. So let's see what happens. Yeah, look at BOMI. So BOMI is coming back down to the entry zone. Basically, this is my entry zone for BOMI around about this level. I want to see if we can maybe get tapped into here. We'll be looking for a long here for BOMI. We did break down quite nicely, but overall still really strong, really bullish here. So I wanna see if we can take out these highs here. Potentially look at a long back up to this level, stop loss just below the low here. This will be a great setup for us. So BOMI approaching our level, right? BOMI is approaching our level. So we got 5 minutes until this closes here. Once we close like this, this is really strong for BOMI. So let's see. Big time not ready yet. Bitcoin Cash had that breakdown. You can see it did break structure here, but it's starting to make higher highs and higher lows. So currently still look really good. I will be looking at a long at this level here as well, back up to the highs. Definitely something to look at for the meantime. Because right now the market, what is it? Yeah, it's 1 o'clock. So London session opened around about an hour ago. So we kind of just have to stay patient. We do have to wait for price to come down a little bit, but we do have a lot of setups waiting for us. Yeah. So for dots not ready. ETC is kind of breaking down here, guys. ETC is kind of breaking down here. If ETC can break this level here, I'll probably take a short back down to this low here. Yeah, this looks clean. So we potentially have a short setup in around about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna get my phone out, prepare for this. So let's see. Basically, we just have to wait for price to close below this level, right? Once we get price closing below this level, then it's valid to take those positions. Let's see. Okay, so basically, when price closes below, yeah, we take shorts and then we take massive longs to the upside. Okay, because the thing is today we kind of just want to trade with the trend. The overall trend is bullish. We wait for retracements, then we take longs. Okay. I don't. I will obviously let you know when I get into this position now. But we are looking for potential shorts here. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we can get that. Because right now we're currently in a situation where most of these coins are retracing a little bit here, guys. And I do think that we can come. It's a little bit overextended the market. Like Bitcoin shouldn't really be at this level. Bitcoin shouldn't really be at this level. It's too overextended. I think we're gonna come down here. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the short here in 5 minutes time. We're gonna take a short for ETC. I will be posting this in the groups. So let's see. Basically, this is the setup, guys. We're looking for short and then a long. Because the thing is, we bearish. I mean, we bullish on the day, right? We bullish on everything, but we can definitely trade the retracements today. Like that's what I'm looking at for the day. My main focus is to trade the retracements, because the retracements is where we're gonna make the cash. And then once price hits our entry zone for the upside, then we can definitely take those trades as well. Okay. So overall, this is going to be the play for the day. ETC is looking really good for a little bit of a move to the downside here, where we're gonna definitely take these setups right now. So just be patient. We just have to wait 4 minutes. So I'm gonna stay on this chart, right? I don't want to leave this chart because we will take the setup right now. I'm just logging into my account and then we can take it together. Yeah, it's about to close below here as well. Once we get a closure below, it's going to confirm that price is most probably going to break that level. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. We just have to wait 3 more minutes here, guys. 3 more minutes and we'll take these sells. But overall, like the market it's looking good for this potential move here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is the only setup I've got. This is the only setup I've got right now. But if ETC dumps, then we can definitely take some sells on Doge, because we're looking at Doge earlier as well. And overall, like it looks good. I mean, it looks good to take these setups. So let's see. So get ready, guys. Get ready for the setup. We've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We're gonna take this. Oh, it's starting to dump here. It looks clean. It's really clean. I'm gonna post a signal now. I'm going to get in a half position now and then half in the retest. Okay. What does that mean? It basically means that so you can see it's breaking trend line, right? So then once we actually break out, then we're going to take another one on the breakout, right? This doesn't mean I'm bearish in the day, like at all, because I'm taking sells. It doesn't mean I'm bearish. I'm just taking sells back down to the buy zone, right? All I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. So ETC, guys, ETC. ETC. Starting to dump here, guys. I'm going to post a signal now. So stop loss. See, stop loss only 1%. So we're gonna use a 10x here, guys. Yeah. Where's everything? Here we go. 12 signals. I'm gonna post this on Telegram, so make sure you guys are on the group and watching, because if you're watching this, it's fine anyway. BTC stop loss at 3.14, and then take profit at 22.51. Yeah, so we just took these sells here, guys. Sells here. Yeah, so we in these setups. It was based on the breakout. It looks good. You can see on the lower time frames as well, like the 5 minute, we did break out of this level here. We should see price come down from this level. Yeah. So overall, guys, we are on the setup here. We are on the setup here. If ETC wants to move down here, then we can look at some other setups. Let's have a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not ready. Like I said, we do have to wait for Dogecoin because it's been kind of really strong. So we do need a little bit of a move. We don't really want to be shorting the stronger coins. Yeah, we want to be shorting the ones that are weaker on the day. Ethereum looks kind of bearish here. I do think that Ethereum could dump a little bit here, at least back down to this level. Yeah, where's this level? Yeah, potentially back down to this zone here. Could be. So we are going to wait for this, guys. We are going to wait for Ethereum as well. But Solana's back at 152, which is crazy. We haven't seen that in a while. Remember, we were speaking about Solana a long time ago. We were saying that Solana is great for buys at 125. Back at 152, 154. So let's see. ETC. So we're just in ETC right now. I'm trying to see if we can get a setup for something else here. Looks like the market does want to retrace a little bit here, which is good, which is why we do want to take some sells. But later on the day, we will be taking buys as well. Okay. Yeah, so ETC just in that setup. Nothing really else, guys. Nothing really else. I'm just looking at the minutes. Wolf, nothing. Tau, nothing. WorldCoin kind of already broke. WorldCoin already broke. So we broke over here. We've already retested that level, so it's not really valid. Yeah, so just really this ETC setup right now, guys. This is the only one that is breaking trend. ETC has been quite bullish on the 4-hour time frame, but this is the first retracement that we've had in over a couple of days, right? So we had this massive run up, and we actually added such a crucial level right over here within this zone. So I do think that we might come down a little bit here, and we look for longs back at 22.41. Okay, so let's see what happens. TRB looks good. TRB looks good. SUI kind of looks good as well. Solana not doing anything. So it's just ETC, guys. I think this is the only setup that we've kind of got ready for now. Yeah, we just have to wait for price to close below. Yeah. Let's see what happens. TRB, nothing. SSV, actually, we've been speaking about SSV. Yeah, look at this. This is crazy news. Yeah, I mean, it took a couple days, but moved around about 8%. Ton kind of pumps really hard last night as well. Ton pumped actually so hard. Shiba, let's have a look at Shiba. Nothing. I would look at Rendar, but Rendar's getting delisted. I mean, it already got delisted from CoinW with liquidity, which is actually a good thing because most times you take trades on Rendar, you won't get the entry price. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. I mean, looking good, to be honest with you. Still looks really good. We broke this trend line out. This was the level that we needed to hold, and we did break below. So this is a valid setup. I might re-enter on the breakdown. Prime looks good. Let's see. SCR is just not really happening. Maniki looks good as well. Worth actually also looks good. Worth looks good for long though. But I wouldn't take this right now. I want to wait for this next 30-minute closure. Once we get a 30-minute candle closure, like respecting this low, then we can take the longs. But until then, it's not really valid. So let's wait. Let's wait. XRP pumped really nicely. XRP pumped back up to 56. That's crazy. I was looking at XRP at 39 last week, which is absolutely insane. Yeah, but the market just not really doing anything. It's moving really slowly. So we just have to wait for some type of movement and then. XRP, nothing. WorldCoin, nothing. I'm gonna wait for some setups and then play. Chainlink. Yeah, Chainlink's been pumping. I was waiting for Chainlink to come down a little bit lower though. Didn't actually get hit for this one, but this would have been a good setup. Break. Yeah. 4.6. would have been a great setup. But yeah, I mean, Chainlink currently at a level right now where we can't really enter. It's too high. It looks like it could be traced. Well, we just